Today we're here with Chris and his 1997 Mazda Miata, and it is built for the one thing that Mazdas do best, and that's going around curves. And it's definitely one of the crazier Miatas that I've ever seen. It's definitely my style. So Chris, what was this thing like when you first bought it?
It was pretty much stock other than a lowering kit, some wheels and some bald tires.
Yeah.
But stock engine, stock drivetrain, yeah.
So what have you done to this thing since you bought it?
Pretty much everything. I did my own custom coilovers with Bilstein shocks. The wheels, the tires, I've got Nitto NTO ones. Made my own roll cage, and all of the aero I've made myself from scratch.
And it's all functional?
It's all functional, yeah.
That's awesome.
Built for fun, not for looks.
Yep. So tell me about this wrap. It's crazy neon yellow. I love it.
Yeah, it's Anthony at Tailored Auto Styling hooked me up with an awesome wrap. He spent 3 days just working on my car alone. Gets a lot of looks.
Yeah.
And it's actually awesome because it's easy to clean too. Nothing sticks to it.
Yeah. Talk about a head turner.
Yep.
So
yep.
What do you use this car for?
A little bit of autocross, hoping to get into some track time, and then just going out and carving the canyons and mountain roads.
Well, maybe we'll see you out there with the Impreza.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
All right, should we go for a ride?
Yeah, let's go.